All right, so I was gonna record outside and kind of go over some things that we're gonna do with this car. And to be honest with you, I don't know which way I'm gonna take it. I bought this thing as kind of like a quick flip, but I think it's a little bit more rough than I really anticipated. I'm not gonna make, obviously this is a whole nother video. I did make a video about going to pick it up. Yes, I'm fat and winded. But I think we're just gonna have some fun with this and see where it goes. There's a couple of things that I want to address with it, a couple of things I want to fix before I kind of drive it. As you've seen in the one clip, the shifter is a little sloppy. The engine light's on. He told me it was an O2 sensor. Probably fix those two things. I'll probably try to do everything to make it inspectable, so if I do want to drive it down the road, I can. But I'm not sure if I'm going to get it inspected, if that does make sense to you guys. So the other thing is, we are going to have some fun with it. I am going to off-road it. I am going to beat on it. Probably going to be out in the field doing some high-speed testing. Testing all-wheel drive, testing all that stuff. This thing's talking to me. And yeah, so drop some comments down below what you guys want to see me do with this thing. Again, I had a direction when I went to purchase this thing, but now I have zero direction, because I'll put in some of the clips from yesterday right now and try to make it not as harsh as I made it seem yesterday. So go ahead and roll that footage quick. Well, I'm in need to go get a new daily that's more snow and ice friendly. And do we take the old reliable here? Or since the Denali's dirty, do we take that? You'll find out in about 10 seconds. As you can tell, we chose the Denali, and we're actually gonna first go look at the thing and see if we do wanna make the purchase. And if we are gonna purchase it, we're gonna go get the car trailer. So without further ado, let's go check this thing out. Oh boy. I'm sure you guys could already tell by the title and the thumbnail, but I am a little excited about this. I won't lie, as you guys do know by now, I do love my Subarus, and this one needs a little bit of a work. It is a little rough, but for what we're planning on doing with it, it's just gonna be basically a daily driver for me. And we're gonna plan to probably have a little fun with Street Speed 717 as well, because he did say he was gonna get WRX. I did text him a little bit ago to see if he actually confirmed that he bought one yet or not, but we're gonna check this thing out, and I'm probably going to purchase this. So we're probably gonna end up having to drive an hour and a half to the shop to grab the trailer and then go back home, because I'm only one person and I couldn't find somebody to be able to be a driver today. So it is what it is. Let's check this thing out. I wanted to show you guys the pictures here so you guys don't think that I'm like trying to pick the guy apart or anything. But this is the front picture. You can tell it's not as beat up, or the angle is just absolutely perfect. Again, this angle, it does look pretty good. And then it is just interior shots of the car. Again, I'm not picking at the guy, but it definitely would have been nice if he took a passenger side picture or a driver side picture of the car, because then you could have seen, you know, the body damage and everything. I didn't really make an offer yet, but I just wanted to show you guys, like, a lot of things in these ads are insane. Like, I could show you a picture that I took while I was there, and like, it was just a quick brief picture, and yes, it does look pretty good. But then if you zoom in, let me zoom in, you can see like the headlights cracked and it is dented pretty good right there. But I mean, again, it's cheap. I'm gonna go ahead and make an offer, I think, on it, and I'll pick back up with you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, huge shout out to my girlfriend, but we've got cash in hand, and he accepted our offer. I'm actually sort of excited about this. And again, I don't want you guys to think that I was like tearing the guy's ad apart. I deal with Facebook Marketplace all the time, and it's super frustrating when you go to look at something and it's nothing that you turned out. So luckily for me, I win in this situation, I guess, if I have to say it. Like, I'm kind of the one that's winning during this, but you guys should be a little bit more realistic with your ads. And again, I'm not trying to bash this guy. I'm not bashing him whatsoever. I get it. He's just trying to sell a car, and maybe some things didn't show up in some pictures that he was trying to do or trying to post. But again, when you post a vehicle, please be sure to be 100% honest and transparent. Don't try to get one over on people, because it will always come back to get you in the end. Like the F-350 deal, that's a whole nother situation. I was 100% transparent with that vehicle, and unfortunately, some of the things weren't transparent on the Denali, but it is what it is. I'm not upset. Obviously, you can tell I can drive the vehicle. I don't have too many issues with it, but again, off topic, but again, I was transparent with the F-350 deal, and that's probably why I never really aired too much on that. But honesty goes a long way, guys. So when you go to sell things, please be honest with everybody. Be transparent. There will be somebody that will buy it for what you're asking. You just might have to wait a little bit longer, being honest. But all right, I'm on my way to go to get the car trailer. We're locked and loaded, heading home, and I actually kind of really feel bad for this kid, because he actually purchased this for a lot more money than what I purchased it for less than a month ago. And if his story checks out, which he seems kind of honest, he seems really, really fair, and he seemed like he was telling me the truth. But if his story does check out, I do feel really bad for the person that sold him this car. And he actually was, like, the guy told me, like, he bought the car, and the kid blocked him, and, like, I guess made it every way possible known that he could not get a hold of him, or blocked him from any social media, everything. Like, found his name on Instagram, blocked him. So if the story does check out, I do believe it, and I'm sorry that I got such a decent deal and you got a bad deal. But I don't know, who knows where we're gonna take this story. But I'm heading home. I'll see you guys in the morning. Oh, the other thing I wanted to say is that thing is extremely loud. I did not anticipate it to be as loud as it is, but I kind of dig it. None of my cars are usually pretty loud, except for the Corvette was, but all right, now I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the
that sounds.
Wait till it starts smoking.
Okay, I'm actually surprised that it is as quick as it is, if I have to be honest. I didn't test drive not test driving it yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm not even full wide open, and it's peppy. I'm not saying it's fast. By no means am I saying that this thing is fast. I'm saying it's peppy.
You are.
And I'm also saying I'm about to put you in the middle of this area right here.
I'm gonna get you coming back.
What's up, girl? Need a ride?
It's
Okay.
recording.
So it's recording. It is super cold outside. I don't think it's more than 32 degrees. It's got to be 30 degrees. I have no idea. I know it says 38 up there, but that's not right. There's no way in heck it's 38 degrees. Two things. Thank you to my girlfriend for recording. Oh, she had my phone the whole time, so I don't even know what temperature it is because there's no way it's 38 degrees. Not a
38.
chance. Oh, I'm in New Bloomfield right now to me, so it's 34 in my neck of the
Oh,
woods.
37. Sorry.
37, yeah. So again, guys, I don't know what direction I'm going to take this thing. When I purchased it, again, I did purchase it and intend for it to be kind of a quick flip and a daily driver because I drive 84 miles one direction every single day, and I was going to use it for all that. But I just don't know if I want to be stuck alongside the road, and I don't think it would break down. But I don't really want to chance it. Plus, I don't think it's really worth it. I think it does need head gaskets. During all that filming right there, it did not overheat one bit. But I don't really know the direction I want to take it. I don't think it's really worth putting the head gaskets on because some of the other issues, like if there's a noise in the rear, I don't really know. I didn't even really go through the thing, but I got it so cheap. Who knows what we're going to do with it. We're probably going to jump it. We're probably going to get with Mike, Street Speed 717. He did say he was looking for a WRX. Obviously, this is a Impreza RS 2.5. So maybe we'll get together with him. This thing is a lot more peppy than I thought it was going to be. Honestly, I'll put in some of that clips to the end here. But it is quicker than I thought it was going to be. Maybe we find a cheap turbo kit. Maybe one of you guys have a cheap turbo kit that we can get for this thing. And we turbo this thing. I have no idea. We just sort of have some fun with it and go with that. Again, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys want to see done with this thing. And I will see you guys in an upcoming video. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.